Hello, I'm Ben. Today I am in the cotton candy vending machine factories, and I would like to introduce some of our cotton candy vending machines to you. This is a 22-inch touch screen. You can upload advertisement via USB disc, and when the machine is idle, you can play advertisement either in pictures or videos. This is the touch screen of the cotton candy vending machine. On the touch screen, the machine offers more than 40 selections. And here you can check the cabinet temperature, the cabinet humidity, and the furnace temperature. You can enter the back-end system by pressing on the Wi-Fi graphic for 5 seconds and enter the password. After you log in the back-end system, you can do a series of configuration here. You can set the price, you can test the sugar, you can modify the name, you can set up the auxiliary materials. And here's the data statistic. You can see the sales reports, total cons, total cash, the total credit card, and you can see which one is the most selling. This is the system setting. On this page, you can see payment method, language setting, video management, and other settings. The payment method, you can choose a lot of payment methods such as cash, cards, or the cons, or the QR code. And the language setting, currently we have more than 20 languages for you to choose. And the video management, you can upload it, the videos or the pictures through the USB device. Other setting, for example, like refund switch, the narrow selection, etc. The alarm prompt will allow you to see the error records. So if there is something wrong with the machine, you can see what's the error. From the down of the machine, we can see there are 4 sugar boxes and there's one water box. You have to refill the sugar in the boxes and the water in the water box. Nice.
Vending machine for sale.